A jaw-dropping revelation straight out of Turkey. A $10 billion factory dedicated to building humanoid robots. Yes, you heard that right. A massive step forward in robotics that's making the world sit up and take notice. So, what's the big deal about this factory? How is Turkey positioning itself as a global robotics powerhouse? And most importantly, what do these robots mean for our future? Let's break it all down. Before we get started, I want to tell you about the AI with Win merch we've designed just for tech enthusiasts like you. From AI themed t shirts to must have accessories like phone cases, wireless chargers, and laptop sleeves, our collection brings the spirit of AI and EV innovation to your everyday life. Check it out at the link in the description or go to aiwithwin.com. Now, back to the video. Alright, first things first. What's all the buzz about? Turkey recently announced plans for a groundbreaking $10 billion humanoid robot factory. Located just outside Istanbul, this facility isn't your average robotics lab. It's an industrial marvel, reportedly the size of 300 football fields, equipped with cutting edge AI technology, and projected to produce thousands of humanoid robots annually. But what really sets this apart is the ambition. This factory aims to compete with global giants like Boston Dynamics and Tesla. And honestly, they might just pull it off. Why? Because they're not just building robots, they're laying the groundwork for a robotics revolution. Akin Robotics, one of Turkey's leading robotics companies, has already developed a diverse lineup of over 120 domestically produced robots, serving industries such as healthcare, education, tourism, and more. These robots are equipped with advanced capabilities, including sound processing, speech functionality, smell detection, internet usage, and facial recognition. The factory, reportedly slated for completion within 1.5 years, demonstrates Turkey's growing technological prowess. Leaders in the project have expressed optimism about the future, highlighting the robot's potential to perform tasks like promoting products in malls, assisting travelers in airports, and even making sales in stores. Now let's talk about the stars of the show, the humanoid robots themselves. These aren't your average metallic machines. Imagine robots with human like movements, faces that can mimic emotions, and AI so advanced they can hold conversations with you. It sounds futuristic, but it might be closer than we think. These humanoid robots are being designed to support various sectors. In healthcare, they could act as nurses or caregivers, while in home management, they might assist with daily chores. In cafes and restaurants, they're envisioned to autonomously set up tables, serve customers, and provide detailed service information. Beyond the service industry, they could take on repetitive tasks in factories with precision and efficiency, ushering in a new era of human robot collaboration. So, why Turkey? How did they leap into the future like this? For years, Turkey has been quietly investing in AI and robotics, building a robust tech ecosystem, forming partnerships with top universities, and attracting global investors. This factory is part of a larger vision to establish Turkey as a leader in advanced technology. With significant government backing, billions in funding, and access to a talented workforce, they're positioning themselves as a major player in the robotics revolution. A factory like this isn't just about cool robots, it's a massive economic game changer. It's creating thousands of high tech jobs, boosting exports, and attracting global investors. Plus, it's giving a significant boost to local industries, from AI software to robotic components, creating a ripple effect that benefits the broader economy. But here's the big question: can Turkey really compete with global giants? Companies like Boston Dynamics have years of experience, and Tesla is making waves with its Optimus robot. Turkey's edge lies in affordability and scalability. While other robots come with $1 million price tags, Turkey's approach is to make these machines accessible and cost effective. They're betting on mass adoption, a bold move that could pay off. Let's zoom out. What does this mean for the future of robotics? This factory isn't just about Turkey, it's a wake up call for the entire world. As we step into an era where humanoid robots could become as common as smartphones, the implications are profound. Meanwhile, in China, robotics is reshaping the workforce. Factories like the one in Dongguan have replaced up to 90% of their human workforce with robots, leading to a 250% increase in productivity. Robots are performing critical assembly tasks with unmatched precision, while remaining workers focus on maintenance. It's a trend that's spreading across industries globally. In London, warehousing is being transformed by robotics. Ocado's The Hive employs thousands of robots to fulfill grocery orders faster than humans ever could, despite raising safety concerns. Similarly, in Istanbul, Turkish companies are implementing Europe's largest robot based sortation systems, enhancing logistics efficiency dramatically. Back in Turkey, the humanoid robots being developed are setting the stage for an exciting future. Imagine robots assisting in disaster relief, caring for the elderly, or teaching children. These advancements aren't just technological, they're societal, but with great innovation comes great responsibility. Complex challenges like cost, ethical concerns, and potential job displacement must be addressed. What happens when robots become smarter than us, or when they replace too many human roles? These are critical questions that need answers. The first batch of robots from Turkey's new factory is expected to roll out by mid 2025. Early reports suggest that global companies are already showing interest, considering deployment in fields like healthcare, education, and even disaster response. From humanoid robots in Turkey to industrial automation in China and advanced warehousing in London, the world is witnessing a robotics revolution. While these advancements promise incredible efficiency and productivity, they also raise critical questions about workforce displacement and ethical considerations. Striking the right balance between human employment and robotic efficiency will define the future of industries worldwide. Turkey's bold leap into humanoid robotics is just the beginning of a transformative journey. Whether it's building the workforce of the future or tackling global challenges, these robots are poised to make a significant impact. The world is watching, and Turkey is making it clear. They intend to lead. So, what do you think? Are humanoid robots the future we've been waiting for, or are we stepping into uncharted territory? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind blowing tech updates.